All right, heading out to go get some new tires. All right, heading out to go get some new tires. Hopefully everything goes all right.
Just ready to shake it off and move into New Year's.
We waded through all this fog, so
folks are getting ready for that, and
finally got here.
Celebrations going on. So
Vinny gonna get him some new shoes.
I've got a few. I haven't done it all yet, but it looks like it always begins a countdown at noon or countdown to noon at Lynn Meadows.
Well, here she is. The guys are already getting on her. They said the back will take them about an hour. So, we'll see. The new ones. So here we are, getting our tires changed. We got the puppies with us. Sounds like it's not going to take as long as we initially thought. They said the back ones, they're hoping to have the back 6 tires finished in about an hour and 10 minutes. So
I think we'd be able to pick it up until what, after 2 maybe, or something.
we thought it would be a half a day. So we're hoping we're going to be out of here in 2 hours.
Woohoo! Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. We're back, parked. Vinny's got some brand new dancing shoes on. So, new tires, start out the new year. Pretty happy with the process. About 2 hours to get all 8 tires changed, balanced, the whole 9 yards. So win-win all the way around. We thought it was going to take longer. Final cost was $5,441, which, you know, when we were in Texas, they quoted us almost $9,000. I mean, I don't know what the heck they were smoking, but $5,400, $5,441, not too bad. Take it any day.